Hello guys, today I have here my new blood pressure monitor. I was seeing that this blood pressure monitor, it has a 7-day monitoring with graphic results, and it also has an HD large LED screen, and I think it also has a voice control. So we're going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, so I already opened it and let's see. Okay, when we open it, it's okay, here it's the large cuff. It's this one. Okay, it comes with this. Okay, this is the cuff. We have the packaging box. It's really nice. I think here we can put the monitor. Okay, we have also the data line. Okay, and we have here inside the, okay, let's take it carefully. Oh, okay, we have here the lithium battery. Okay, it's like this, it's a purple one. And we have in this box the blood pressure monitor. It's this one. Wow, it's beautiful. It's really, really nice. Okay, it's like this. And we have also the instruction manual. Okay, it's in English, so I think it's pretty well. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here it's about the results. I think it's pretty well to understand how to use it. Yeah, it's basically like how to use it. Here's like the things that are going to be in your blood pressure, in the blood pressure monitor. So it's like this. Okay, we have here, okay, we have here the bottom to delete. We have the user bottom, that it's this one. I think it's like for 2 persons. We have then the setting bottom. It says set. It's the setting bottom. And then we have the start and stop bottoms. And another thing that it has, this blood pressure monitor, is that it has the voice control. So I think it's pretty complete. Okay, now to the power modes. They have this pressure monitor. It has 3 different types of power mode. The first one, it's with the lithium battery that I'm going to show you. You need just to swipe this like this, and you can put here the lithium battery. Okay, like this. Or the second one, it's just using 3 batteries. I think it's a double A battery. It says here double A battery. You just need 3 of that ones. Or the other one, it's with the power adapter that you put it on here. Okay, and in this side we have this one, that the cuff, the extra large cuff, you need to put it here like that, and then you can use it. Okay, so this is the monitor. It's like this. We need to put this one. Then when we finished putting the batteries, if we decide to use that form to power on, and that's it. Okay, here's the person who is going to help me to use the blood pressure, and we are using the lithium battery. So we are going to close it. Okay, Once we put the cuff in the arm of the patient, we're going to put this in this part of the blood pressure monitor. And then we're going to press the start and stop button.
Place the cuff at the same level as your heart. Don't move and keep quiet.
And it's saying that press the cuff in the arm and be quiet and don't move.